said about, it doesn't take much to be more than average, right? Like the average person makes $50K a year, right? The average guy slept with someone in their lifetime, right? So like, just, think about that, right? Just to differentiate yourself from every other guy, you don't have to do that much. Go to the gym, push yourself, read 2 books a year. You're already doing better than 90% of people, right? You gotta really put yourself in your comfort zone. I mean, dude, the average guy between 18 and 30, 25% of them are virgins now, right? I saw a statistic that said like over 90% of men hadn't been done a cold approach in the last 12 months, which is fucking absurd to think. Like that is so fucking crazy. So all it takes is you step into your comfort zone and actually go do it, right? And this is why we're inviting you guys to come party with us tonight, right? At Lavelle, it's gonna be a lot of fucking fun. It's a faction event. It'll be like a cool networking thing. Maybe later we'll go hit King Street. Like if it's fucking not enough girls there, I'm gonna go fucking hit King Street. I'm gonna go fucking bar hop. I'll go to Century. I'll go to Isabel's. I'll go wherever. There's hot girls, and me and Mike are gonna pull in some bitches tonight. Me and Michael and Luis are gonna have an orgy.
With girls.
No, with each other. No girls allowed. No, but so it's really important you guys actually learn this stuff, get a handle on this stuff, and really fucking apply this. And another thing is social media is massive. Like, are you guys using social media actively to meet women? Like, you don't understand 50% of relationships start online now. Like, if you were to go interview 10 girls off the street right now and ask them how they met their last boyfriend, what do you think they're gonna say? Instagram. Yeah. Instagram. Tinder or Instagram. That's where I meet my best women right now is Tinder or Instagram. It's very rare that I actually meet a girl that I end up dating from a club, okay? Maybe one in like 15 girls, right? It's either like top would be Tinder, then it's Instagram for me personally, then it's like a referral, like a friend of a friend. Like Michael meets a girl and he's like, oh, Jess will love you, Or I meet a girl, I'm like, oh man, Luis would love this chick, right? That's usually how it goes, right? And social media is super important, right? Because if you're not developing that social media, I mean, you're not even in the competition.
Yeah.
You're not even like, imagine this, if you have no profile picture, you've less, like, you don't have a good photo set up, you don't have good photos, right? If you don't have like a good Instagram setup, like that's like half the fucking game now, right? Or you do a cold approach, you meet a hot fucking girl, she's like, great, oh, what's your Instagram? And she looks at your Instagram and you just look like a fucking loser on Instagram. I mean, what do you think she's gonna think about you? Is she more likely or less likely to flake on you?
Imagine her showing you to her friends, right? And she's like, oh, let me see his Instagram. What does he look like? And they pull up your Instagram and you have a fishing photo and you just look like a dork or something like that, right? Versus a guy who's sitting by a McLaren, a guy who's just like fucking balling out or he's fucking jacked, he has a shirtless picture and they're like, damn, he's fine. Like, you know what I mean? Just think about it. Appearances. What does it appear like? It doesn't mean one guy's better than the other. Just it looks like this motherfucker has his shit together. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So, you guys have any questions? We can do like a little Q&A or something like that.
Yeah,
you know? Yeah. Any questions? We'll answer a few questions before we wrap up. We got some time.
You're talking about the philosophies of game and fitness, but what philosophies did you use to get rich?
Same, bro. It's the same. Daily activity is gonna make your life. You're nothing more than a representation of your daily activities. So this is what a girl will notice when she sees me. Like this shirt's a little bit looser. Oh. Whenever I wear like a fucking tight-fitting shirt or something and I'll hit the gym and I'm just like out at a club and I'm talking and a girl just sees my fucking veins bulging out my arms, they'll hug me, they can feel my fucking six-pack against them. It indicates so much information. Even when I look at another guy who's fucking jacked, I already know that this guy's had to develop some type of discipline. He's gone through hard shit. He's faced adversity, which is a turn on for women because he's a successful risk taker, right? You have to have some type of stability to be able to accomplish these things. It indicates so much. So when they see a flabby guy, it just indicates all that information, the wrong information. When they see a jacked guy, they go, oh yeah, shit together. But that happens in like a second for women. It's that fast. They just cue it. And you do it too as a guy. You can look at another guy. Imagine some 6'4" dude walking in here fucking jacked. Everyone would he'd almost make us turn and look at him because he's so fucking big. You know what I mean? Women have the same experience. So, but it's the same philosophies. What was the question? About how that made me rich?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just the same, bro. Daily discipline. All the things that'll make you good at game, I think, in my opinion, make you good in business.
100%.
Like game and business are the same,
100%.
bro. I understand humans. I understand. Game will force you to have to go through a lot of your own insecurities. For sure, bro. I've sat on the curb at the end of a weekend when I got no pussy and And I just felt stressed, like, damn, dude, like I couldn't do it. And like or you're mainly more mad if you didn't approach a girl and you're just like beating yourself up over it and you have all this negative self-talk. I've been there. Like we all go through that. I've been in business for years, bro. When I was 20, I started as an entrepreneur. I didn't really make it till I was 28. That's 8 years of fucking crying in my car, driving to Bakersfield, doing all these fucking things, just trying to make it happen. And I just sit there and think, fuck, dude, are they that much better than me? Like I would just have mental breakdowns over this. I was just insecure, like how the fuck are these people doing it? And then one day it hits. It's like that iceberg effect. And they go, Luis got lucky. And I'm thinking, motherfuckers. Like they have no idea, you know? So you guys should be okay with going through hard shit. Join a gym, get knocked the fuck out. Go do boxing. You know what I mean? Do hard things that make you afraid, that you're afraid of doing. Just do them. It will force you to grow. It'll force you to face yourself. You'll deal with some adversity. Everyone's gonna lose in life. You're gonna take some L's. You know what I mean? If you avoid taking L's is the biggest fucking L, because you're not growing. So I want to learn how to fight. I've been doing martial arts for like 17 years now. I did boxing, no more, like over 20 years. Started off with boxing, wrestling in high school and college, jiu-jitsu, Muay Thai, MMA. I've done it all. And that also added to my confidence because you have to deal with the shit there. I got into sales. I had to deal with more of myself there. When I was doing game, I had to deal with more of myself. No external thing will ever make you a man. It's only going to be internal. Everything that you go through, you put yourself through, and girls can sense it. Even when I didn't have money, girls can sense it. This motherfucker's going places. Because it's just an attitude. It's a demeanor that you carry by going through grimy, hard shit, which makes you a fucking man. Otherwise, you're just like a little boy. Why don't you do it? Oh, it's hard. So your emotions make you feel soft, little boy? Like, who cares? Like, fucking do it anyways. Be a fucking man. So, like, those principles, bro, they're all the same in, I almost feel like every field of life I've done.
Yeah, I mean, there's a parallel, right?
Yeah.
Like, just the self-improvement mindset.
Mm-hmm.
You know, just working on it every single fucking day, dude. Like, man, I think about growing my business. It took me fucking 10 years. Holy
Yeah, you started
fuck.
like as a teenager.
I started when I was like 17, bro. You know? It's crazy when I think about that. I was 19 years old, coaching guys twice my age. You know? And like, you know, I look at it all these years later and I still look young, successful, and people think I had it easy. You know? I always get called lucky, and I'm like, I'm the luckiest guy I know, right? Because they're just saying luck is when opportunity meets like perfect execution.
Mm-hmm.
You know? So just become an executor. That's one thing I pride myself on, is being able to execute, right? When opportunities present themselves. You know, if there's a hot girl and I know she's available and she's DTF, she's with her boyfriend, I'm the guy she's going home with that night. You know, so there's so many different opportunities that you guys miss out on because you're stuck at home, you jerked off, so you're not really feeling motivated. You know, you're not, you know, in the vicinity, and there's hot girls walking by all the time. There's business opportunities that happen all the time. You know, there's all this potential you have that you're not executing on that you should fucking just go get it. You know, raise your hand if you feel like you have a good Instagram profile.
What?
Raise your hand if you feel like you have a good Instagram profile. That's crazy. Okay, so maybe like 1/4, no, not even, probably like 150, you guys.
I'll be the judge of that.
That's
check you guys
no.
out, dude.
I bet if we see some of their Instagrams, it's probably okay.
Yeah.
You know, and that's the thing. Like, even if you have an okay Instagram, you're doing better than most guys. I'm honestly thinking of just like giving you guys like helping out like 5 of you guys do like done for you Instagram. Just pimp out. Kyle, would you be down to do something like that?
Yes.
If we could like do a because you do college photographer, it's really good. He's done a ton of my picture stuff. If we were to do like a done for you Instagram profile setup thing, maybe we can like tie it in Aiden's code, because so Aiden runs my coaching mastermind that I do. Like, is this kind of only for clients who've already gone through boot camp? But you know, I'm thinking we should fucking like bundle together, do like a thing where fucking you do like done for you Instagram like profiles, and then like join Aiden's coaching program. If anyone's interested, silently go talk to Aiden, go talk to him about it, and you know, just fucking talk to him about it and see if that's something that you think you need. But we probably, you know, help if you guys get a pimped out Instagram, because that's like the most important thing you need to fucking do to be competitive in the dating market. You understand the dating market's a market, supply and demand, right? And understand the average guy who's getting a lot of pussy right now, he's fucking all the pussy. You know, the average guy who's like getting laid actively is sleeping with most of the women, right? And then there's the guys that aren't getting laid at all, right? But usually those guys have a good Instagram profile. I know a guy who's like an super high level fuckboy, like 21 years old, smashed like 400 chicks, right? And it's funny because his Instagram profile got banned, and like, dude, he's like asking me to help him. fix it. I'm like, dude, I'm so sorry. Like, I felt so bad for him. Dude, I felt so bad for this guy because I just know he has thousands of girls on Instagram, and I've been there. You know, my Instagram got banned. I got banned like 4 times in the last 6 months. I got it back every single time though. And it's just like, there's no pain like losing thousands of women's contacts, like who are just horny. It's like having a list of girls who just want to suck your dick, you know? So yeah, if anyone's interested in, so I actually have a course called Online Seduction. It's online-seduction.com. I don't sell it anymore, discontinued. Because the issue I had was guys would get this course and they learn from the material. Then, because this is during COVID lockdowns, right? I want to make a course. I was in Mexico City. I want to make a course that would help guys meet women, get girlfriends during COVID. And because there's nothing else like that. And I felt so bad for like the average man, how they're just like, not getting pussy, you know? And so I made this course, and when I got back to Toronto, I had all these guys that bought my course, and they were like fucking the same girls on Tinder as I was. Like all the girls I'm dating, and I'm like, God damn it, right? And so I'm thinking of like something we'd offer you. Dude, if you guys want, go talk to Aiden about this. If you guys join Aiden's 6-week coaching program, it's an online version, kind of like what we do and talk about here. We just learn every little bit of game that you don't learn. I'll throw in my online seduction course for free. It's discontinued. You cannot buy it. The payment process does not work, right? You unlimited pussy from that. We'll get Kyle to do. You can do like photo shoot and like help out their Instagram profiles, pimp, like a done for you like Instagram profile service. So we'll pimp out your Instagrams, pimp out your Tinders, and then fucking go through coaching with Aiden. I'll give you guys an online seduction for free. Okay, if anyone's interested, just go talk to Aiden about it. So, I mean, we got some time, guys. It's 6:40 p.m. Lavelle's going to open at 8, the fashion show stuff. Do you guys want to go get dinner? If you want to hang out here, network a little bit, get to know each other, find a wingman in this room, you know? Go find a fucking new wingman. And let's create this community together, guys. Let's go out and fucking crush it tonight. Maybe someone else get laid, right? I know I fucking will. And let's go crush it. If anyone wants to get it done for your Instagram service, talk to Kyle, talk to Aiden. We'll just like fucking bundle together, make it happen, okay? All right, boys.